Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with LendingTree affiliate program for loan leads, detailed guide step by step clearly. To register with the LendingTree affiliate program for loan leads, start by visiting the LendingTree website. Scroll down to the footer of the home page and look for the affiliate program link. Click on the affiliate program link to access the program details. Read through the information provided to understand the terms and benefits of the program. Next, find the Sign Up or Join Now button on the affiliate program page. Click on the button to begin the registration process. You will be directed to the registration form where you need to enter your personal and business details. Fill in your full name, email address, and the URL of your website or blog. Provide any additional information requested, such as your marketing methods and traffic sources. Make sure to review the program's requirements and policies carefully. After filling out the registration form, submit it for review. You may receive a confirmation email shortly after submitting your application. Check your email for any communication from LendingTree regarding your application status. If approved, follow the instructions in the email to access your affiliate dashboard. In the dashboard, you will find affiliate links, banners, and marketing materials for promoting LendingTree. Start integrating these resources into your website or promotional channels. Monitor your traffic and leads through the affiliate dashboard to track your progress. Utilize the analytics tools provided to optimize your marketing strategies for better results. Engage with LendingTree's affiliate support for any questions or assistance. Stay updated on any promotions or changes in the program for continued success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.